In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete unused style classes in Webflow. If you've ever found yourself with a cluttered or disorganized project due to unused styles, you'll know just how beneficial this little cleanup can be. So let's walk through this process together to help you keep your design space tidy and efficient. To get started, open up your Webflow project and direct your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, you'll want to focus on the Style Selectors icon. This is your gateway to manage all the styles you've created in your project. You can easily access this by clicking on the icon itself. Alternatively, if you prefer using quick commands, simply press the letter G on your keyboard. This shortcut will swiftly open up the Style Manager panel for you. Once the Style Manager panel is open, draw your gaze to the top right-hand corner of this panel. You will notice a broom icon. This icon is emblematic of digital tidying. It represents your tool for sweeping away those unneeded styles that have no associations with any elements on your pages. Go ahead and click on this broom icon. This will bring up a prompt that specifically identifies any style classes that are not in use. It's like your project's personal cleanup assistant, making sure only the necessary things are kept in play. When the prompt appears, it will ask you if you'd like to delete the unused styles. This step is essential for maintaining a well-organized and efficient workspace in Webflow, as leftover styles can not only cause visual clutter, but might also lead to confusion down the road. So when you see the prompt presenting you with the styles that are not associated with any elements on your pages, confidently click on Delete. And just like that, you've removed the unneeded styles from your project, leaving it cleaner and more streamlined. This simple exercise not only enhances your efficiency, but also aids in optimizing your Webflow experience. By periodically deleting unused styles, you ensure your project remains agile and easier to manage as it grows. While the steps are straightforward, it's a maintenance task that can greatly improve your workflow. Remember, regular practice of this kind of digital housekeeping is key to ensuring that your creative environments stay productive and enjoyable to work in. That's it for today's video. You've now mastered the art of deleting unused styles in Webflow. Keep practicing and maintain the cleanliness of your design projects. Thanks for watching.